Hey again, folks. Bob Matheny, Mayor of Zebulon, and we're going to give you an update on COVID-19 and what is going on this Sunday. Just in order to serve you and Wake County better, Wake County and Town of Zebulon and the other municipal governments have entered into a statement of emergency with additional restrictions that will go through April the 30th. And I'm going to kind of skip over the top of some of those and bring you up to date. And then I'm going to tell you how to see the whole document if you want to, which actually happens to be about 7 pages. So you might want to take a look at it. But immediate restrictions are going to include things like restriction on congregating within nursing homes and restrictions on visitations within nursing homes. And again, in this document, it's very specific, so you can go to some websites that I'm going to give you in a few minutes and read the whole thing if need be, or if you desire to. Basically, beginning tomorrow, and by the way, the nursing home was immediate and it's in place right now, but beginning tomorrow at 8 a.m., there's a prohibition of mass gatherings of 50 or more persons, prohibiting operations of fitness, spa, hair care, and related facilities, and prohibition of using public and private playground equipment. You just can't do it. And parks and greenways would remain open. The town of Zebulon is closing access to basketball courts. Our parks and walking trails will remain open, and we encourage the community to use them, but remember, do so with social distancing. Social distancing, staying 6 feet apart. It can restrict the exchange of this virus, so bear that in mind. May seem like you're not being friendly, but you are being safe and healthy. We ask our local businesses to encourage telenetworking or teleworking, encourage open businesses to screen temperatures of employees when entering the workplace. If they have a tool, such as this one, it's a temperature gauge that you just point it at whatever it is that you want to know the temperature of, and it takes a few seconds to measure it and then read it out on a little screen on the back of it. Failing that, there are other ways to check it. And if my memory serves me correct, the temperature breaking point, if you will, is 100.4. So if it's that or above, then you need to restrict access to your business. So screen your customers, screen your employees. This is really, really important in preventing the spread of COVID-19. For a complete listing of these, you can go to the Town of Zebulon website. Just Google Town of Zebulon, or you can go to Wake County and do the same thing. And this document, I'm not sure if it's posted right this minute, but it's about 1:30 on Sunday, so probably by 2 to 2:30 to 3, it will be on the website, so you can read it. So I want to be real clear, though, that at this point, this is not a shelter-in-place order. It's a restriction of public gatherings, use of some of the public facilities. But if this thing continues to grow, we're very likely to, the next time you see me, be talking about shelter in place. In one day, North Carolina jumped from 184 cases to 284 cases, and 49 of those are in Wake County. So today, Sunday, we're at 284 at last count, and again, with 49 of those being in Wake County. That's a real rapid growth. And I know in the overall population scheme, that doesn't seem like a lot of people. However, it's the tip of the iceberg. So you need to be cautious, and please heed this information that I'm sharing with you. Just for your update though, you will continue to have access to grocery stores, pharmacies, banks, and other essential businesses. That is with sheltering in place, you have that now. Sheltering in place is a tool that the county and the towns have in our toolbox. And if COVID-19 warrants this, then we'll do it, but we're not there yet. We hope the restrictions we're putting in place today will prevent us from needing to do that. But only you can help us, and you please prioritize, as I stressed earlier, social distancing. You know, if you can, stay home. That way you can do a lot of social distancing by not mingling with other people. Limit close contact, wash your hands very frequently, soap and water, 20 seconds, and do it more than you would normally do it to prevent, again, the spread of this virus. Use grocery and restaurant pickup and other delivery options if you can. And if you're sick, for God's sake, stay home. Don't go out in public. We here in Zebulon continue to work closely with Wake County and our other partners, which are the other municipal governments of Wake County. And we want to keep you informed and respond accordingly as new information develops. Again, you can visit our website of www.townofzebulon.org, and it will give you updates and adjustments to our town operations. We are the town of friendly people, and we want to also be the town of healthy people. So remember to be patient, and show compassion, and give grace, and together we'll come out of this situation stronger. So hang in there with us, folks, and we're going to hang in there with you. And I promise you updates as anything that evolves. Thank you, and good health.